We will be going to get you exclusive inputs on the Delhi fire tragedy as the owner, Dr. Naveen Khitchi, is now in police custody. He was earlier absconding. Now, this evening, he has been arrested. And remember, viewers, we're getting in more information regarding this man, Naveen Khitchi. Now, what we know is that, in fact, two arrests have been made. One is the owner and another Dr. Akash has been arrested by the police, by the Delhi police, after the fire led to deaths of 7 newborn babies. Cops have made 2 arrests in the Delhi Child Care Hospital fire. Now, what we know is that Dr. Akash was on duty during the fire on Saturday night, and he too has been now taken into custody. And the owner, Dr. Naveen Khitchi, was on the run right after the blaze and the news, of course, broke out about this. 7 newborns died, and he was on the run. We are getting in more updates, in fact, for you, that there is some more information about Dr. Naveen Khitchi's past. He has been charge-sheeted in another case back in 2021. So there has been a past record of this man that has now come under scanner. In the meanwhile, let us tell you what the NCPCR team that had visited the hospital has to say.
दिल्ली के विवेक विहार इलाके में एक नियोनेटल केयर हॉस्पिटल में जिस प्रकार आगजनी की दुखद घटना हुई है वो अत्यंत निंदनीय है और इसमें साफ तौर पर जिम्मेदार अधिकारियों की लापरवाही सामने आई है। वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की जिस तरह रिफिलिंग की जा रही थी वो बहुत ही हजार्डस था। हमने अपने एक सदस्य को वहाँ भेजा था, वो विजिट करके आई हैं। जैसे उनकी फाइंडिंग हमको मिलेंगी हम दिल्ली सरकार को नोटिस करेंगे और भारत सरकार को अपनी कार्यवाही से अवगत करा के उचित रिकमेंडेशंस करेंगे। एक बात जो मैं यहाँ बताना चाहूँगा वो ये, अस्पतालों के नियोनेटल केयर यूनिट्स में आगजनी की घटनाओं को रोकने के लिए आयोग ने 2021 से लगातार दिल्ली सरकार को कई सारे निर्देश दिए, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य की बात यह है कि दिल्ली सरकार ने कभी उनका जवाब नहीं दिया। अगर दिल्ली सरकार समय रहते काम करती तो ऐसी दुर्घटनाओं से बचा जा सकता था।
There you have some more reactions have come in. In fact, we have learnt about this owner, the owner of the child care center, the hospital, Dr. Naveen Khitchi. There has been a past criminal record. In fact, my colleague Aqil Jamil, who has been getting us all the live inputs and the latest inputs on the story, is now joining us on This Is Exclusive. Aqil, what are you picking up? 2 arrests have been made by the Delhi police, and the questioning, we believe, is currently underway. What are you picking up?
Well, Rakshita, the latest update that we are getting right now for our Republic viewers is that the main accused, the mastermind in this case, has been arrested by the Delhi police this afternoon. So what has happened? Let me just give you how this entire incident unfolded. When around 11:30 p.m. when this incident happened, at that time, if you see, I would like to request my VJ to pan and show you the visual of this baby care hospital. Here, 12 patients were there. All those babies were there inside this hospital when that fire broke out. And after that, if you see, nurses were also there. They left initially from that very place. And when the neighbors over here from Vivek Vihar and the DFS team and the Delhi police service team reached over there, they found that 12 babies were inside. And one by one, after breaking the glass shield over there, they went inside and took out all those babies. So 6 babies were, when they were taken to the hospital, doctors have declared them dead. And one more baby who was critical, and according to the doctor, this morning itself, that baby succumbed to the injuries. Right now, 5 babies are still, if you just talk about, because the age group of all those babies are between 15 days, 20 days to approximately 3 months. Right now, I'm joined by one of the neighbors who live in this area, just next to this very place. Here you can see, this is the place where that incident happened. Just next to this hospital is a boutique center. You can see the condition of that boutique center. There's nothing which is left. If you see the hoarding boards over there, nothing is left over there. And if you see the third house, which is in which an ATM is there, IndusLand Bank ATM is there. And if you move towards my left, if you will see the 4th house over there, so that's the fourth house. I'm joined by the fourth house resident who is a neighbor over here, and he has seen the entire visual because while he was sitting at his residence, he has noticed that
Right.
there were 5 to 6 blasts, one after another. And let me just speak to that person, and he will give us the exact account what has happened. मुझे ये बताइए किस तरीके से ये इंसिडेंट हुआ?
कल रात को 11 बजे के आसपास बहुत तेज़ ब्लास्ट की आवाज़ आई। उस ब्लास्ट के बाद हमने अपने आप को घर के अंदर बैठे थे, हमने देखा कि एकदम से सारे शीशे टूट के नीचे गिरने लगे। हमें समझ ही नहीं आया कि एकदम से क्या हुआ। जैसे हम बाहर आए तो देखा यहाँ पे इतनी भयानक आग लगी थी। किसी तरह हम अपने आप को बाहर निकाला, बच के बाहर निकल के भागे। तब देखा कि मतलब यहाँ पे इतनी तेज़ ब्लास्ट हो रहे हैं और इतना सिलेंडर फूट रहे हैं और यहाँ पे अंदर बच्चे फंसे हुए हैं और
So here you see what they are saying. If you talk to the neighbors over here, they are saying it is an utter negligence of the owner who basically owns this premises, this hospital, this baby care hospital. So still it is yet to be discovered because right now the police team is investigating the team. The Delhi police team has formed 3 different teams in this case, and the mastermind in this case, Naveen Kichi, has been arrested. Yes, Rakshita.
This man, Dr. Naveen Kichi, there, there is in the past an FIR, a case was registered against him. What we're picking up, tell us more about that case. That earlier too, in 2021, there was a case registered against him over violence that was inflicted upon infants in his child care hospital.
Well, absolutely. If you see, Naveen Kichi is not the regular offender. This is not the first time when he has done something wrong. Earlier, he has done something wrong of a similar kind of event, but nothing, some sort of a cylinder blast. What has happened in that incident? In another, because right now, if you see, for the last 2 to 3 years, this hospital is going on in this premises. Apart from that, there was another hospital which was going in the name of this baby care hospital itself, just a few miles away from this very place. What has happened at that point of time? There was a patient from UP. She has come over here for treatment of her son. So what has happened when they basically came over here? Naveen has repeatedly told for them and asked them some kind of because what we have seen, if you just go through by the judgment, it's there that Naveen basically threatened them that if you complain to the police, then there will be something which is going to be wrong against you. Because what has happened in that case, when a staff member of this very hospital has attacked his son, he has basically attacked his arm, and then what has happened, then they complained about it, and they said that they requested Naveen, if you are not going to take action against your employee, then we are going to take action and we are going to complain against police. But Naveen in the meantime tried to threaten that patient and his wife. So if you see that matter went for a very long time, and in that case what we have seen, that Naveen has been the part of this same incident.